Want a clean, fast, and efficient way to melt metals? Our induction melting furnace is the top choice. It melts gold, silver, copper, and other metals quickly, with even heating, low loss, and no pollution. Energy saving, stable performance, and easy to operate. Safe design, small footprint, high melting efficiency, trusted by customers all over the world. Upgrade your smelting work with a reliable. If you want to know more about gold mining equipment, please contact us.